Every 4 years, billions of people watch the FIFA World Cup. Their eyes follow the players, but almost nobody notices the football. Yet this isn't just another football, it represents more than 30 years of failures, experiments, redesigns, and one relentless obsession to build the perfect football. So here's the mystery. The world's most important football wasn't born in Germany. It wasn't perfected in China. It began inside a single rented room with one young engineer and one simple thought. Why can't this football be better? In 1991, while millions watched football, one young man from a small town in Pakistan was studying the ball. Every flaw, every weakness became an idea. A young civil engineer from Sialkot, with only a small amount of savings, he rented a single room and began making footballs. He had taken the first step toward building an empire. Then came the opportunity. That would test everything he had spent 2 decades building. It was 2013. The FIFA World Cup in Brazil was only months away. Adidas had unveiled a revolutionary new match ball, Brazuca, but the manufacturers in China couldn't produce Brazuca to the required standard. The World Cup was getting closer, so Adidas turned to Forward Sports with a deadline of just 33 days. Forward Sports delivered Brazuca, and from that moment, a company that had started in a single room became one of the trusted manufacturers behind football's biggest stage. Today, Forward Sports makes millions of footballs every year, including the official match balls used in FIFA World Cups. People often ask Masood Akhtar, "What's the secret behind your success?" His answer has never changed. Continuous research,